Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial maintenance task for your Mitsubishi Pajero, specifically focusing on the 4M41 common rail engine models from 2007 to 2015. If you've noticed a slight mixing of engine oil with coolant, or an external coolant leak, you're not alone. Many customers have encountered this issue, often stemming from a common problem, a cracked oil cooler. In this video, we'll guide you through replacing an oil cooler step by step and explain why it's crucial to detect and fix oil cooler issues early. First, let's talk about why this is so important. When engine oil and coolant mix, it can lead to severe engine damage. The oil cooler is designed to keep your engine oil at the right temperature, but when it cracks, it can allow oil to seep into the coolant system. This not only compromises the integrity of your engine oil, but can also lead to overheating and other serious issues. In our case, we pressure tested the old cooler and found no visible cracks, which can sometimes happen. The problem might lie in the internal gaskets, which can wear out over time and allow oil to mix with coolant. This is why regular maintenance and inspections are essential. Proceed with the procedure, safely draining coolant and oil from your Pajero. Follow eco-friendly disposal guidelines. Remove the old oil cooler. Disconnect hoses and unbolt from its mount. Carefully track all components. After removing the old cooler, well, inspect it thoroughly. Even if there are no visible cracks, it's essential to check for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's best to replace the cooler rather than risk further complications down the line. Next, install the new oil cooler. Make sure to use the correct gaskets and seals to ensure a proper fit. Once everything is securely in place, reconnect the hoses and refill the system with fresh oil and coolant. This is a great time to change your oil filter as well, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. After everything is reassembled, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil and coolant to circulate through the system. Keep an eye out for any leaks during this time. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Pajero running at its best. If you're not comfortable performing this task yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. It's always better to address these issues sooner rather than later to avoid a potential disaster. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining your vehicle. And if you need assistance with this job or any other maintenance tasks, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you keep your Pajero in top shape. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.